Hello everyone. I think good morning करते करते good afternoon हो गया है. So a very good afternoon to all the ones present here. I'm 25 years old. My name is Yash Yadav, and I'm guess perhaps I'm the youngest educator in this home. So um, yeah. So today, let's directly address the big elephant in the room: why there is so much chaos in education. And today, I think the word chaos will itself explain itself. Starting with comparison. The biggest virus in education is comparison. बचपन से हम लोग सुनते आ रहे हैं, भाई शर्मा जी का बेटा 98% लेके आ गया है, आपके भाई ने यूपीएससी क्रैक कर लिया है, दोस्त एआई, कोडिंग, जर्मन ये सब सीखे जा रहे हैं. पर एजुकेशन का मेन पर्पस ये था टू हेल्प अस डिस्कवर आवरसेल्व्स. And now, instead, it's become a giant reality show called India's Next Top Holder. And slowly, students have stopped asking, what do I love? They only ask, log kya bolenge? What will people say? And the solution to this is, instead of comparison, education needs customization. Not every child is built for the same path, so they should be able to apt and amalgamate accordingly. Because marks can only measure memory, they cannot measure imagination, courage, leadership, empathy, or creativity. And that makes me move to the next one, H, herd mentality. So our education system suggests at 16 years old, where most people still don't know how to figure out their basic things in life, but suddenly they have to decide what they have to do in the future. भाई future में करना क्या है? And the moment एक करियर पॉपुलर होता है, सब उसके पीछे भाग जाते हैं. जैसे कि हो जाए अपना यूपीएससी, इंजीनियरिंग, एमपीएससी, एंड अभी नया फैड आया है डेटा साइंस एंड एआई. नोबडी आस्क्स विल दिस मेक यू हैप्पी. सब लोग यही पूछते हैं, भाई सैलरी कितनी मिलेगी. तो द सोल्यूशन इज वी शुड क्रिएट करियर अवेयरनेस, नॉट करियर प्रेशर. We should teach students about real world skills, emerging careers, financial literacy, entrepreneurship, communication, and not just कि क्या कितने मार्क्स का आ रहा है, किस चैप्टर का कितना वेटेज है. Because execution, and I again repeat, execution without interest eventually becomes exhaustion. And that makes me move to the A of chaos, algorithms and anxiety. Education today is obsessed with metrics working as algorithms. Marks, percentages, rankings, cutoffs, attendance. Everything is measured except actual understanding. And hence students are buried under severe expectations. And social media has made it worse. एक स्टूडेंट इंस्टाग्राम ओपन करता है, देखता है 19 साल का लड़का मिलियनर बन गया है, कोई AIR 14 घंटा पढ़ाई कर रहा है, कोई 21 इयर्स का यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर क्रिप्टो से बिलियनर हो चुका है. तो नाउ जस्ट इमेजिन द एवरेज स्टूडेंट हु जस्ट कंप्लीटेड वन चैप्टर, ही फील्स लाइक अ फेलियर, एंड दिस ट्रिगर्स एंजाइटी. We are raising a generation that constantly feels behind. And the solution to this is we need authenticity over analytics, where the idea of inculcation to students would be the failure is a feedback, not a final verdict on their worth, which makes them think beyond set algorithms and explore without pressure. Which makes me move to the O of chaos, outdated system. Let's be honest, many part of our education system still operates like it's 1998. The world today is learning AI, automation, and digital skills. Well, students are still memorizing answers they'll immediately forget after exams. Education sometimes feels like याद किया, उल्टी किया, भूल गया. यही हो रहा है आजकल. तो because we reward memorization more than curiosity, and that's a severe tragedy. The solution to this is education should focus on applicability over memorization. Teach students how to think and not what to think, because in today's time, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude can give you information, but in education should build wisdom on how to use and leverage these tools available in the market to help the child do what he interests in. And lastly, S for success definition. We as a community have created a very narrow definition of success. Doctor है तो respect, engineer है respect, government officer है respect, artist बेटा साइड में कुछ और भी कर लो. The problem is not with professions. The problem is with limiting success to only a few professions. Today, the world rewards creators, athletes, coders, influencers, researchers, and analysts, people with unique skills. But many students are still forced into lives they never choose just for holding a stable career. The solution is we must redefine success. Success is not only salary, marks, or designation. Success is waking up to an excited life, using your strengths meaningfully, and success is becoming valuable, not just employable. So when we ask why there is chaos in education, the answer is simple: comparison, herd mentality, algorithm anxiety, outdated system, and success definition. Thank you.